Howdy y'all, this is Mason with FastLaneEuropean. Today we're going to do a demonstration on how to replace this strut. This is a beautiful M240 here. This strut is actually bent. It is a victim of the vicious potholes here in the Bay Area. So we're going to show you how this is done. Got a new genuine BMW Strut here. So these are the new parts. We got a replacement strut top, replacement wheel bearing, and a spindle. The only thing that we can reuse from this whole setup is gonna be this dust boot and the coil spring here. So we're gonna get this strut back reinstalled, show you what that looks like. This is usually a two-person job. Helps to have a buddy. Okay. Make sure our alignment is good. Voila! And then we'll get this bad boy over on our genuine BMW alignment machine and we'll get it all straightened up and we'll show you what that looks like. Hey guys, okay, so we got the strut replaced. Car is now on the alignment rack. We're checking the adjustments now. You can see our camber is now negative 22 degrees. Prior to the strut replacement, we were at 1.59. So this is the reason why we replaced the strut. The alignment was out of specifications. That's gonna cause tire wear. It's gonna cause the car to not handle properly. All sorts of bad things for the car because of a pothole. So we've got that corrected now, and we're gonna adjust some final things to make this car perfectly straight. Now, as you can see, the vehicle is back in specifications. We'll get it in the correct lane, the fast lane.